Components of a window AC. Parts installed on the chassis. 1. Chassis. 2. Compressor. 3. Condenser. 4. Cooling coil. 5. Blower motor, condenser fan and blower wheel with scroll. 6. Control PCB and dual capacitor. 7. Main electrical cable. 8. Display PCB harness. 9. Swing motor. 10. Vertical louvers and link. 11. Discharge line. 12. Liquid line with strainer and capillary. 13. Suction line. 14. Air sensor placed in front of the cooling coil. 15. Coil sensor attached to the cooling coil outlet. Parts installed on the front cover. 1. Display PCB. 2. Horizontal louvers. 3. Air filter. Miscellaneous parts. 1. Remote. 2. 2-number AAA battery.